Hi guys, I'm Hitesh and I'm here with this product which is the Lokai cycle. And what here you are going to get. Actually guys, this is a little bit special high ticket program to get higher returns. Why higher returns guys? Because you don't have to buy and sell anything, okay? So selling is okay. You can sell by using some different techniques and methods, okay? But you don't have to buy things. And why I'm telling you this, why I'm just highlighted this thing because this is too much big thing, guys. People are just investing and they are losing their money. Okay, guys, they are just investing. They don't know future things about the crypto. Actually, this product is about crypto. Here I mentioned how many people make profits from crypto without buying coins. Okay, guys. So these coins are doing very well, okay, right now in the market. Plus one main thing you will get, which is this, okay, I highlighted this one also. So it will do each and everything for you on automation mode, okay, because you are not investing or spending anything. So if you put your complete process or system on automation, on autopilot also, so you will be able to make some profits and some type of the benefits also, okay. So you will be able to generate a revenue from very first day. And this is a little bit a challenge you have to follow in this, because just because you are not buying anything, so your competition will be automatically zero, okay, because the people who are coming on in the market, okay, in this industry to make some profits and revenue, okay, they are spending something, they are just spending something, they are investing something. Okay, so in compare of that people, you have always zero competition because you are coming in the industry without buying anything. Okay, guys. So why I'm just highlighting these things again and again? Okay, because you need to understand. You can just go outside and you can just cross check how people are doing these things. They are investing, they are losing money because of just lack of knowledge and all these things. But here in this tool or in this workshop also, because you will get one workshop also in this complete things. So in this you don't have to do all these things, and this is the major advantage of this program. And just because of this major advantage, you will be just able to beat the competition, guys. So this will be the page when you will click on this button, and when you will go with this free digital book. Even if you don't go with this product, you are still able to get free digital book from here. You have to just click here, you can see, or you can just click on the button also, you can just receive your book. Okay, so you will be able to know each and everything in written format, okay, without paying anything also, you can say. So when you will click on that button, okay, on this button, so you will redirected here. Just put your mail, something like this, okay, put your mail and you will be able to download from your mail. So I'm not going with that because I already have all these things. Okay, so AI software you will get maybe inside this. So these four things you are going to get. Okay, so the book which is available right now, you can just go with this, and some more books will be able again inside, because this product didn't disclose any member access area and didn't disclose whatever inside. Okay, why? Because they are not actually, they are not telling you to invest in crypto world. Okay, guys, you already know crypto actually go crypto generally went down in 2020 or 21 just because of lockdown and that type of the things, and many different factors generally actually effect on this industry. But right now, if I talk about today, again it is going up and up day by day, guys. Okay, so this is the right time to enter. I still have some investments or some portfolio, you can say, in this industry, which is crypto. Okay, so which is crypto, you can say here. Okay, so you have to just click on this and you will be able to get at least ebook, free digital book. Okay, so that you will be able to know much more secrets which many people don't know. And when you go with this product, so you will be able to get this all options which are already mentioned here, which is the mind map. Means if you go with this type of the product which are already actually for which you have to pay too much, okay, this is high ticket program. So this thing always you needed. Okay, don't underestimate this. I will not tell you each and everything and big things about this, but this is the mind map. And if someone go for high ticket product, this thing always work, because not it is work, it is actually important and it will be essential for you for that particular specific stream. Okay guys, so this will be too much important, guys. Don't underestimate it. Okay, you will get some more books inside. Now this will be the main member access area, or main thing where you will be able to convert this thing into the profit or benefit. Okay guys, you will be able to make some revenues. Okay, so just because of that, so this all things are available, and will be coming. Okay, so live access will be available for some tools and technologies. Okay, so this is again right now didn't disclose, so each and everything you will know when you will go ahead with this particular product. Okay, through this page, I just mentioned the link below. You can just go through that. You will be able to see this. When you click on any button, so you will be able to get free ebook, okay, for you. And all this information you will be able to see here, guys. Okay, and that's how you will be able. Actually guys, I'm just telling you about the product. Okay, I can just make long video, okay, by just introducing this crypto and many important factors about the crypto, this and that. Okay, but I'm not doing that. Okay, just go outside, check about NFT, check about blockchains. Okay, I'm telling you directly here, and just check about the future of this, future of NFT, blockchains, and of these cryptos, and you will automatically become able to understand the power of the loci cycle. Okay, so I'm just done from my side, guys. Okay, what the things you are going to get in this program. Okay, so in this program, I already introduced you each and everything. Now decision will be yours. You have to decide you should go ahead with this or not. Okay, guys. So this is not only masterpiece piece. This is the father of masterpiece, guys. Okay, because you are not even investing or just spending anything. Okay, after entering into the industry. Okay, you have to just understand this thing, and why this product is too much costly, because this industry is upcoming industry, guys, and people are already buying and selling the NFTs alone for millions of dollars. Okay, but if you learn all these things, you will be able to do businesses and works in three type of the platforms. Number one, NFT. Number two, blockchain. Number three, crypto itself, which here already you can see. Okay, and all the industry which started accepting cryptos, or which will start accepting cryptos in future. Okay, so what will happen, I don't need to explain you guys. Okay, so that's how you have to understand these things. Okay guys, so I'm done from my side. Okay, you will see this type of the information and you will go through the link below. Later your decision will be your. Okay, so we will meet with another masterpiece with another time. Till then, bye.